Yo guys, I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'll be telling you guys how to get better at sniping in Fortnite. This video of this title will be called 5 Advanced Sniper Tips, how to hit every sniper shot in Fortnite. So this video has been I've gotten this video from one of the YouTubers called this. I'll show you guys up on the screen. He'll be right there. That. So, yeah. Thank you for the suggestion. I really appreciate it. And let's get on with the video. So, like I said, 5 advanced sniper tips. So, there'll be 5. My first sniper tip is to never, like, peek. That's my first one. Like, you want to do, like, a Tifu peeking type thing. And then put, like, a wall around you so you don't get sniped behind you. So put, like, a wall around you. And then do Tifu type peeking. And if you don't see anybody, don't peek out. Because then they could snipe you. And your game could go from awesome to bad. And, honestly, if you don't see anyone near you, then don't even try to peek at all because it's pointless. And yeah, and also, yeah, sorry, my hair looks like that, but that's fine. So yeah, that's the first one. And before I get on to this next tip, let me just tell you guys to make sure you use my supporter creator code KS in the item shop because, you know, why not? And also, thank you guys so much for the support lately. It's been crazy. I have been doing so much better. And yeah, let's keep it up. So my second tip, this is tip number 2, is to always aim for the head. I'm always going to say that because, you know, if you do a body shot, then they could build. And then they could always clap you. So the thing is, you should always aim for the head, because, you know, if you do a headshot, then it will eliminate them, and then they're done. So aim for the head. You hit the body, they could come up and clap you, and you don't want that to happen. So always aim for the head. That's step number 2. And before I continue on with this video, I'm just going to say let's get this video to 5 likes this time. Because we couldn't get it to 10 last time, but that's okay. We can easily make 5 maybe. Let's get this video to 5 likes. On to step number 3. Step number 3 is to never try to no-scope people. Never ever try to no-scope people. If you're in one shot, don't no-scope. If you're in one shot. If you're not in one shot, normal game, it's a 1v1. Unless they're like a default or bot, then you can no scope them. But if they're extremely good, go for like shotgun shots, AR shots, whatever. But don't try to no scope them. If you have to, quick scope them, but don't no scope them, because then your game will go from excellent to garbage. And you don't want it to go from excellent to garbage. You want it to go from excellent to even more excellent to a dub. But yeah, you want to be like me and have over 200 plus wins. And you don't want to be like someone that I know has like 8 wins or 9 wins. Okay, on to step number 4. This one, step number 4 and step number 5 will be in the same thing. It's both the same thing. Oh, if you're going to decide over a heavy sniper or a suppressed sniper, my opinion, I would go for suppressed because there's no noise. But personally, I would go for suppressed, but the heavy does more damage. And the last tip, if you're going to want to get better at sniping, is to get sniping maps. I will put codes to sniping maps in the description down below. There will be sniping map codes in the description. Like I said, there will be like 5 to 8 of them. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This video, I filmed the day before, will be uploaded tomorrow next day. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And make sure to use the code KS in the item shop. Because, you know, why not? Then it can be more cheaper for me. And yeah. So, like I was saying, make sure you guys subscribe. Hit the bell. Be active on this channel. Thank you guys so much for all the support that's been going around in this channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.